Dear friends, today I will tell you about a subject that concerns almost everybody who lives in a large city. Tell me please, who of you has a car? Oh, okay. And who of you are just dreaming of having a car? Okay, so I suppose that my speech will be interesting to both categories. I will tell you about my experience. I've been driving a car for 8 years. And during these 8 years, my car became an essential part of my life. I was getting to my office by my car. I was driving it on my days off. I was using it on holidays, and even when traveling abroad, I also there was renting a car and traveling there by car. So it occurred that 3 months ago I went for business trip to Moscow, and there I had no car. And I spent there a week, and I enjoyed this new, for me, this new experience. And when I returned to Kiev, I also tried to get to my job every day without a car. Yes. At the beginning, it was really difficult because I've been late for a couple of meetings. But then, after a week or two, I started to enjoy my new lifestyle. First, due to practical reasons. When you just go by public transport, you can talk your phone, you can read something useful, or you can think over your ideas in your mind. So it's more efficient use of time. Secondly, I started to feel much better. Every day I was spending on the fresh air 2 hours, and of course all of us know that walking is one of the most useful kinds of physical activity. And third and most important, that are mental and emotional consequences. I started to feel more confident. Now I know that I can get to any point in the city only using my feet and public transport. And when I go by public transport, I can go look to different views in the windows. I can read. I can think about interesting things and so on. And as I have this freedom, I realized that my previous state was slavery. That I was slave not of my car, but slave of my habit of use my car in my everyday life. I realized that I was really tight with my seat belt to my driver's seat, that I only could look straight ahead, that I cannot leave my car at any time I wanted, and that I was permanently nervous because other drivers were too slow and I couldn't do anything to make them move faster. And so, as I realized, I have two lifestyles to compare, and my choice is obvious. And for those of you who also, like me, uses a car almost every day in his life to drive to his office, for example, I have a suggestion. Try another lifestyle. Try to leave your car at your parking and get to your office by your feet and by public transport. I suppose that some of you will enjoy this new lifestyle, and after a week or two you will also make the choice I made. So leave your car at home, get out of your car and become a master of your life.